So today we are going to discuss a very interesting theory. It's nothing but the theory of relativity.
In addition, I have a very big surprise for all of you. So, let's start our discussion.
Theory of relativity is one of the most interesting and stunning theory in the history of physics. This is the content that we'll discuss today. Albert Einstein, maybe the one of the best brain of all time, gave us this interesting theory. He published his theory of special relativity in 1905 in the physics journal Annalen der Physik. Later he developed his theory of general relativity between 1907 to 1915 and finally published that in 1916. Before going to the main theory, let's discuss some basics. I think you all have the idea of classical relativity. I know you all are familiar with the example like walkway example, some examples in daily life like bus or car or train example. In simple words, it gives us ideas away. For two people agree on what they see if one of the people is in motion. We know that in this universe, nothing is stationary, everything is moving, the entire solar system, the Milky Way. Everything is in motion. So, it's not enough to ask that how fast I am moving. We must ask how fast am I moving relative to some other object. Let's discuss about why this theory was developed. The man who made the first color photograph, James Clerk Maxwell, unified everything known about electricity and magnetism. According to Maxwell, light was an electromagnetic wave that moved through empty space with a speed of c, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. He told that of all the things in the universe it's only light, whose speed is constant relative to everything. But from the standpoint of classical relativity, the question naturally arises that how could this be possible? Because speed of something is always relative. This was a dilemma facing a physicist at the turn of the 20th century. How could both be right? And the very foundation of physics was facing a crisis. In order to alleviate the crisis of physics, a 26-year-old patent clerk came up with an unforgettable explanation. Yes, I'm talking about Albert Einstein, and the theory was the theory of relativity.
What? How can it be possible? I do not understand anything.
Well, it's a very complicated theory. I told that I have a surprise for all of you. Recently I founded a transversible wormhole. The surprise is now we will travel through the wormhole and we'll meet Albert Einstein and he will explain you the theory.
Really? How lucky we are.